Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share with you some of the products that I just purchased, just in case if you're looking to upgrade or like start vaping to quit smoking. I'm just gonna give you this unboxing and comparison video between these two units, so you can actually make an informed decision before you purchase anything. So basically what I have here on my left is the Aegis Legend from Geek Vape. This one is the 1.0, we're gonna call it, because this is the 2.0 version. This is the version that it's already unboxed. This is the version that I have been using. And this is the Geek Vape Aegis Legend 2.0. So that means that this one is the newer version of this one. And I just got it. I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looks like, what it's in the box, and an overall just review of the product itself. So we're just gonna take a quick look, see at Geek Vape over here, right? So you can see the product in here, right? So a major like layout, right? It has a big warning. Remember, smoking it's bad. Don't start if you don't smoke, right? But if you want to quit smoking, maybe vaping is for you, right? Over here we have their website and we have the color of the product right here. Also on the back we have a bunch of warnings, different type of information. Not much on the box, to be really honest. I do like the engraving over here with their brand. Branding is very important, and same thing on the sides. The box has like a rugged type of feel over here, right? So without further ado, let me just go ahead and okay, so you can just slide this up. You get a black box. Oh, okay, got it. So we're gonna slide this one up as well, right? So you guys can see the brand over there. So Geek Vape, very cushy box, very important to protect the unit itself. So this one is the 2.0 version. So just keep in mind that I already opened this. I'm just gonna share this with you guys. We're gonna take out this little, we're gonna peel out this sticker right here. There you go. So we have the brand new screen over there. I have been using this for a couple of days before I actually reminded myself of recording the video. So this is the 2.0 version, and let me see what is inside the box before we actually move forward. Okay, so we're gonna slide my finger over here. Okay, so it's just a foam. Okay, so we have the user manual, very important, guys. So you can actually read what exactly your unit does, how much power does it take, how much power it will withstand. Over here we have a little envelope with product. Okay, so this is for a product registry and purchase information for Geek Vape, right? And seems to be we're missing something else over there. Alrighty, so over here we have a box. Okay, so we can just open this one up. All right, I'm assuming it's the power cord for the unit. All right, a little bit of silica there. Okay, so this seems to be, okay guys, so this one, it's a type C cable. This one, the previous version, uses micro USB. Seems to be that the 2.0 will actually use type C. Very important. I have not seen the actual charging cord on that. Alrighty, so let's take a quick look-see. So the 1.0 version, it's a little bit chunkier, a little bit like more wide, right? So it actually can't, like, it wasn't wobble enough. This one is very easy to just like, boop, there you go. And then your entire vape mod will fall out. I did put a little bit of cold silicone over the screws just to make sure that if by any chance I drip some like e-liquid on it, it will not like fall inside the mechanism, right? Over here in the back we had like this cool, I don't know how to call it, a rubberized design over here. This one has like a lettery design, all right? So this is the different, mainly maintains the same line over there, right? Also has the screws over here. This one has these rings, right? That will protect you just in case if you have a liquid, like if you put too much liquid on your unit and starts dripping all over the place, right? These rings will protect the central unit for getting wet. Unfortunately, this one does not have those and still maintains the screws over here. So I'll make sure to actually cap this off with some glue or something to make sure that no liquid actually gets inside my unit. All right. So besides that, this is the charging port for the 1.0. As I mentioned, it's micro USB, a little bit uncomfortable. I recommend using the cable that comes with the unit because it's like super uncomfortable to actually get in there, right? For the 2.0, let me, maybe this one will open up. Oh, there you go. Oh, amazing. This one is actually a charging port for the 2.0, major upgrade on that side, right? So if you just like press it, it will remain sealed. No liquid will get into the unit, right? So overall comparison, I really like the better design of the 2.0, but I like the chunkiness of the 1.0, right? It doesn't wobble really easily, right? Because it has a wider base for the unit, right? So now I did put some batteries on this unit so you guys can actually see how it looks like when I turn it on, right? So we're just gonna fire up real quick. Remember to press quickly 5 times. We get the Geek Vape message over there, right? And then we can actually see the screen. The screen overall is an improvement. I like the colors. It gives me this basic same information that any other unit will give me, right? But I really like the color scheme, the design comparison with the unit itself, right? I cannot change the colors, or I actually haven't found exactly how. But this is the Aegis Legend from Geek Vape 2.0, right? So if you guys are looking for a new mod, right, or if you guys are looking to upgrade to something bigger, this one is a 2 battery unit. Upgrades from the 1.0 version, it's basically just like the charging port, it's majorly improved. I really miss the oil rigs over here, just in case if you make a mess, like I always do, right? So that's why it was important to me. That's why I mentioned it. Doesn't have those filters over here, just in case if you drip your e-liquid, right? You can see the big name over here in Geek Vape as well. The leathery design over here in the back with these 3 stripes, right? Makes it really comfortable to use, really comfortable to fire up, right? Really, I will say ergonomic. This one's a little bit more of a chunky version, right? For big hands, right? I have big hands, but this one, yet again, it was a little bit like on the uncomfortable side, right? It was like way too big, way too heavy. They made it slimmer, they made it lighter. I really like the overall design, but you know, just comparison, I will like maybe take the upgrades from the connection side, right, and just move it to this design to make sure that it doesn't wobble enough, right? This one, it's just like a little bit of the tweak. Sometimes you're just not paying attention, like whoop, and then it'll fall down, right? If you have something glassy on top of the unit, you might break it, right? Besides that, the screen upgrades, right? The screen is smaller, but it's all over the screen. The color scheme is pretty good. So guys, if you have the decision, it's completely up to you. Remember, this one's a little bit chunkier than the 2.0 version. 2.0 is easier to charge. It's easier to build up on top of this thing, right? It gives you that perfect amount of width angle, right, in order to work with whatever you want to mount on top of this, right? So guys, again, hit me up. This was a little bit of a different video from what I usually do, but I just wanted to bring you guys a comparison between the newer version of the Geek Vape Aegis Legends 2.0. I just got it not too long ago, so I wanted to record this video and share this with you guys. So again, if you have any questions about either of the units or both, or just give you guys a comparison like in writing, I can do that for you, not a problem. Just hit me up in the comments. Again, I'll be coming up with more videos and more different units, right, for you guys to be able to actually see what you're gonna purchase before you purchase it. Just in case if you have any questions about any of the content, just hit me up. I'll be more than happy to reply in the comments. And again, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of videos, just subscribe, give me a like, right? I'm not trying to make a living out of it. It's just me just buying stuff for you guys, and for you guys to be able to actually see a video of the unit itself before you actually purchase it. So again, guys, if you want maybe pictures or descriptions or what is in the box, right, we already saw that, but just in case, if you need more, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.